Follow me is a LeEco Le S3, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to begin, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me as an example, I'm just going to use the home screen. So the screen right here. And once you have that content open, all you really need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. You'll get this animation that you have just seen, and then the image can be found in your photo gallery. So I assume it's going to be photos right here from Google. Let's tap on it, allow, don't care about that, keep off, and there we go. So you have screenshots and there's the image that I have captured. Let's just go back. So that is how you capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.